This is the first exercise or example on similarity. Example 9. A, B, C, and D are concyclic points. A, B, C, and D are points on the circumference of the circle. DOC and AOB are chords. DOC, AOB are chords, meaning O is not the center. DB and AC are joined. Prove that A, triangle AOC is similar to triangle DOB. We need to prove that triangle AOC is similar to triangle DOB. Now remember what I said in the previous video about similar triangles. We need to prove that all the three angles of this triangle are equal to the three corresponding angles of this triangle. So we only need 3 reasons to prove similarity. Then after proving that the two triangles are similar, then that's only when we can be able to prove that the ratio of the corresponding sides are in the same proportion, which is B. We are proving that triangle AOC is similar to triangle DOB. We say in triangle AOC and triangle DOB. Now we need to find those 3 corresponding angles from each triangle. Let's see. When I look at my diagram, since this is a cross, right? Angle O2 is equal to angle O1, meaning from triangle AOC, angle O2 is equal to angle O1 of triangle DOB. So we say angle O2 is equal to angle O1. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. The second reason, when I look at arc AD, this arc, it subtends angle B at the circumference, and angle B is an angle of triangle DOB, and it also subtends angle C, which is an angle of triangle AOC. Therefore, angle B of this triangle is equal to angle C of this triangle. Say angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because they are angles in the same segment. Now the third reason, if you have already found the first 2 reasons, then you can just say the third reason is the third angle of a triangle. Because if you have already found 2 corresponding angles that are equal, then there's no way the third angle is not equal. There's no way that the third angle of each triangle is not equal, is not the same for both triangles. So you can just say third angle of triangle. I'm not going to say third angle of a triangle because I can be specific and prove why angle A will be equal to angle D because of chord BC. Chord BC subtends angle D at the circumference, and it is an angle of this triangle. Chord BC again also subtends angle A, and it is an angle of this triangle. So angle D is equal to angle A because they are angles in the same segment. Therefore, with 3 of my reasons, I can conclude that triangle AOC is similar to triangle DOB. Why? Because we have proven that 3 corresponding angles are equal. Now, since the 2 triangles are similar to one another, then the ratio between their sides is proportional. This is B. We are required to prove that side BO divided by side OD, the ratio of these 2 sides from this triangle is proportional to the ratio of when you divide side OC by side OA. Since my 2 triangles are similar to one another, I can take out all the corresponding sides from both of my triangles. So I can say OAO divided by DO is proportional to OC divided by OB is also proportional to AC divided by DB. And then from here on, I will take out the pair of sides they were asking me to prove that they are proportional. So we have OB, I have OB, OD, DO, OC, I have OC, OA, OA. So we will be taking this pair. So we have AO divided by OD. Now I'm writing it in this format is equal to OC divided by OB. Now we are required to prove that side OB, when you divide it by OD, you get a ratio that is equal to the one that you would get when you divide OC by OA. This is what we are required to prove, and this is what we have. The problem is we need to make OB the numerator on this side, right? And OD and AO should be the numerator of this side. So how do we rearrange these sides? Well, you need to cross multiply them. I forgot something that's very important. After taking out the two pairs of corresponding sides from your from all the corresponding sides, then you need to write the reason why these two pairs are proportional to one another. The reason is corresponding sides of triangles in the same proportion, or you can say similar triangles. Yes, when I cross multiply, I will be having AO multiplied by OB is proportional to OD multiplied by OC. Now I want to make OB a numerator, so I will have to get rid of AO. For me to get rid of AO, I need to divide both sides by AO so that this AO cancels this AO. So I'm left with OB, and OB is divided by 1 is equal to OD divided by AO. Now since I have my OB as a numerator, I need to have OD as a denominator, and OD is over here as a numerator. So I need to take OD and put it here. So how do I do that? I multiply both sides by 1 over OD. Multiply both sides by 1 over OD. So on this side, this OD will cancel with this one, and on this side 1 will multiply with OB and OD will multiply with 1, so I'll get OB over OD is proportional to OC divided by AO. Now this is the same as what they asked us to prove for. Well, it's not the same because we need to rearrange AO. So therefore OB divided by OD is proportional to OC divided by OA. Therefore, we have proved the corresponding sides of our two triangles that are in the same proportion. Thank you for watching.